perform. That too, you have to perform by using the setter method. Before going to do this, okay, someone have the doubt, I hope. What is meant by Spring? What is meant by Spring Boot? What is meant by microservices? Where you are using them? Okay, we already discussed here. Okay, if you have any doubt before end of the session or else end of the session also, I will be here. Okay, you can come freely. You can ask any doubt. I will give the solution. Okay, right. So come to the concept. So there is a 4 files you required if you want to develop the core module related application. Not always. This is XML based configuration. How many ways you can able to configure? 3 ways. One is XML based configuration. Another one is Java based configuration. The third one is annotation based configuration. Getting? Okay. We are going to develop the Spring based application, that to core module based application, manual approach. Manual approach means what? After developing the application, you need to compile and execute from the command prompt. That is what the manual approach. Getting? So manual approach is not like that, like in front of you developing the code and compiling that code execute. No, 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 no. Developing is different. Okay. So by using the command prompt, compilation and execution, this is what the manual approach. That too, the required jar files. The required jar files we need to set in the class path environment variable as we did yesterday, right? Clear? This is what the manual approach. Development is different here. Clear? Okay. Coming to the concept, like what do you mean by interface? That is the core Java related question. Yesterday we discussed. I hope I give a complete picture about the interface. Clear? Okay. Implemented class is required because if you have any abstract class or interface here, so at least one implemented class is required to implement for unimplemented methods. Okay, there is unimplemented methods right inside the abstract class or interface where you are going to provide the implementation. You have to answer. Where you are going to provide the implementation? In implemented class. Such a implemented class is nothing but what? Concrete class. Clear? Are you with me? Okay. Let me check online also. Online people, are you with me? Are you able to following? Right. Okay, guys. Yeah, listen carefully. Online people, especially, if you have any doubt, okay, before wind up the session, okay, I will give the time here. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes, I will give the time. Okay, right. So today I am going to end the session 10:30 because might be some people going to attend for what mock interviews. That's why. Okay, right. Okay. So 4 files are required. One is the interface, another one is what implemented class. The third one is what configuration file, client application. Clear? Okay. So what do you mean by interface and what is the abstract class? What is the concrete class? We already discussed it. Nothing to worry. Okay. Now coming to the interface. This is what yesterday's code. Today we'll go work here. Today it will work. Okay, because as we discuss, there is a versions conflict. That's it. Okay, that's what yesterday this program is not executed. Okay, so do you have any doubt here in the interface? Are you following? Anyone, any doubt? Please raise your hand. Sir, what is this, please? I will give. that complete picture, but don't act. Huh? Right? Okay. Right. This is what interface. Okay. Do you mandatory public in front of the interface? Enter question. Mandatory. Mandatory. Have you tried any time? Why I am discussing this much? Without what is the difference between abstract class and interface question? There is no Java interview anywhere in the world. Not only in Hyderabad, anywhere from Ameripeta to America or High-Tech City to America, wherever it is, right? Without this question, there is no Java interview. That's what I'm completely focusing on what? Abstract class and interface. Listen carefully. Might be some of the people you have the good knowledge on this. Okay, but please be patient because some people might not be understand completely or in depth about that concept. I'm requesting whoever knows already very well. I'm requesting you guys, please be with patience because some other people non-technical background people might be there, EC background or triple A background, mechanical background, civil background, or normal BSc background, BCom background people also trying to learning the Java full stack. Clear? For them, we need to support and encourage, right? That's what I'm requesting. My intention, everyone should be in the same page or same line. Okay, coming to the concept. So, public, do you require? Do you require the public in front of the interface? Yes? Oh. That it means without public, you never compile. It means, right? You are getting the compile time error. How many of you getting the compile time error without public? Raise your hand, yaar. Arre. At least one finger out of 5 fingers. Okay. No problem. Online. Online. I removed the public here. Is it compiled? Yes or no? Online people. Yes sir. Oi. Compiled or not? Compiled? Mauno ardhangi karo. Okay. Right. See guys. What is the problem without public with interface? Huh? Why you are thinking like that? Java C demo.java. Pakka? Valid or invalid? Valid. Okay? Right. Without public. What do you have here? In front of the interface, what it is? What type of access modifier? Ever protected? Protected, private, no. Right? Default. Okay? Right. Okay. I hope you got the clarity. So every interface should be contained unimplemented methods or abstract methods or method declaration, not method definition, not implemented methods, not concrete methods inside the interface. Next, coming to the demo IMPL, that is what implemented a class. So while implementing that class, that methods, see, you should implement what? That interface. What kind of relationship? Is a or has a? Is a or has a? Has a na? Is a na? Has a na? Okay. Is a means what? Huh? No, 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 no. Is a relationship representing what? Inheritance. If you are implementing the inheritance, What keywords are required? Extends. Okay, coming to the interface level, inherit the interface also similar to what? Class. Getting my point? Interface to interface, what is the keyword? Extends. Interface to class, it means implements a demo. That means what kind of relationship? Isena, hasena? Hasena, isena? Shura? Pakkana? Okay. Next one, private variable. Might be, all access modifiers in Java. I don't want to touch. Next, I created this variable. So generating what? Setter methods. That means setter injection. Set message. Next, there is a two unimplemented methods are there inside the interface. Here we are providing the implementation something like this. Okay. Next one, get date time. This is also, we provided some implementation. This is what implemented a class. So this is what configuration file. Any doubt in the implemented class here? All are clear? Okay. Suppose I am not providing the implementation for this get date time method. Let's assume two unimplemented methods are there inside the interface. I provided the implementation only for the one method, that too, wish method. I ignore the get date time method. Then what about this demo IMPL class? Is it concrete class? Is it concrete class? Yes, sir. 100%. Pakkana. Okay. Online. Let me check. Okay. You are also considered as what? Concrete class. Oh, super Karthik. Okay. Right. You are also considered as what? Concrete class. Yes or no? Clear? Right? It means it should be compiled. Yes or no? Guys. Okay. Java C demo impl.java. Okay. No compile time. Pakka. Avuna? No compile time error. Pakka. Okay. Online. Concrete means full implementation. Yes. No errors, sir. Errors, sir. Okay. Let me check my luck. Okay. I'm going to compile. Sure. Pakka. Confident. Ayya. Chindigorre. What is that? Demo impl.java line number 3 error. Demo impl is not abstract and does not override. Come on, yaar. Does not override what? Does not override what? Get date time method in demo. Yes or no? Does not override. What it is mean? It means you are not learn core Java properly. Pakka. Come on, yaar. See, interface always contains what? Purely abstract methods or unimplemented methods or method declaration. Whatever it is, all are same. Clear? So, in demo interface, you have the two unimplemented methods. In demo IMPL class, I provided the implementation only one method, that to wish method. I ignore the get date time method. Right? See, while implementing that interface, all methods are coming into inside the demo IMPL class. Agree? Yes or no? Right? So, it means all unimplemented methods of the respective interface, you should provide the implementation inside that implemented class. Agree? అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear? Okay. Whatever the methods are there inside the interface, all while implementing that interface into implemented class, all methods should be provided the implementation. Otherwise, we are getting the compile time error saying missing. See, what is that? Demo impl is not abstract and does not override the respective method. What method implementation we ignored? Get date time. Two solutions are there here. What are the solutions? Number one, to declare this demo IMPL class as abstract. What is that? Demo IMPL is not abstract. What it is saying? Hey, the demo IMPL class is not abstract class. Number one problem, I did. Number two problem, and does not override abstract method get date time method in demo. Are you getting clearly? Any doubt, guys? Simple here. While implementing the interface into any other class, whatever the methods are there inside the interface, all methods should be provided the implementation. Number one. Otherwise, you should declare that class as a abstract class. Clear? Number one solution, let me declare this class as what? Abstract. What the demo MPL class, right? Public abstract. Solution? Okay. So, is it best solution? No. It is a kind of solution. It is a one type of solution. But you should provide the implementation to the get date time method while implementing that demo interface or while extending demo IMPL class also. Are you getting? So you should create the one more class, increasing the length of the code. Readability is what? Increased. Why you following that approach? See, hand broken, bandage, it won't work. Yes or no? This is what type of solution? Bandage related solution. IT won't support that bandage related solution. Go to the hospital, take the some surgery. Bandage, it won't work, right? That's what. Okay. Now, solution number two solution is what? Remove the abstract and provide the implementation to what? Get date time method. Problem solved. Class is not abstract. Check it out. Class is not abstract. It is a concrete class only. But what you did? You provide the implementation to both methods, whichever available inside the interface. I hope Online, you are also following, right? Okay. Right, guys. This is what implemented a class. Clear? I hope you are getting. Okay. Next one. Coming to the XML based configuration. The above statement, that is up to 1 to 3 lines of code. That is what DTD stands for, document type definition. It is only for what? It will give the details about what? XML only. What is the XML version? And the other features also it can be added here. Okay. So this is called as what? DTD. That means document type definition. That to the XML related details will be provided inside the DTD. Sir, have you developed this DTD manually? This is what our question. You cannot. Okay? Based on your requirement, based on your whatever the tags you are using inside that beans tag, the respective related schemas we should be added in the DTD. Going forward, I will show that. Don't worry. Okay. Right. Those are predefined, not user defined. Clear? Okay. Now, all these tags also predefined tags here, not user defined. Okay. Right. What is the difference between XML and HTML? Suppose in HTML, I open the one tag, like H1 tag. Is it mandatory to close that H1 tag? Mandatory, yeah? Mandatory, yeah? HTML అయిపోయిందా? ఓవరా? ఓవరా? Okay. Come on. Mandatory, optional? Adhyaksha, what you are learning? Okay, in HTML, if you open the tag, closing is optional. Closing is what? Optional. But in XML, guys, I hope you are in the mid of advanced Java. There is a file called XML file, right? That is web.xml file. If you open the one tag, either web app tag or servlet tag or servlet mapping tag or servlet class tag or URL pattern tag or load on startup tag or unit param, name param value, something, right? If you open the any tag in the web.xml file, you should be close. It is mandatory. It is not an optional. Similarly, in the beans tag here, in the demo.xml file, there is a root tag is what? Beans. This is the root tag in the XML configuration file. Under that, there is a bean. That is, there is a chance to configure more than one bean tags inside. Okay. That is more than one bean class we are able to configure. Why, sir, you should configure the bean class inside the inside the XML file? For the sake of, we are giving the option, we are giving the one chance to the container. Hey, container, this is my class. This class is representing one ID. That ID should be becomes as what? Object. That respect to bean class related object creation, that respect to bean class related or the respect to implemented class related object creation, who will take care of it? The container will be taken. Yes or no? So here, bean, I'm configuring one implemented class, demo MPL class. It is the one of the implemented class, right? So for this class, we should provide what? One ID. That ID is representing what? Object. Internally, how the container is going to create the object? demo IMPL, demo is equal to new demo IMPL. Yes or no? Test T is equal to new test of here. T is what object of what the respective test class. While creating the object, new keyword is required. And while creating the object, the constructor is required. Yes or no? But have you created any constructor here? Have you using any new keyword here? No. Without using new keyword, without using the constructor, the container will be taken care. For what? To creating the object. Clear? Are you following? Suppose my implemented class, my demo IMPL class implemented under the some package, user defined package. Let's assume in.nareshit.demoimpl I created my class. Let's assume. While configuring that implemented class like a demo MPL class, you should tell with what? Fully qualified name. Yes or no? What do you mean by fully qualified name? Package name along with what? The respective class. But the demo MPL class, I didn't implement by using any package. Okay? Just it is the default package. Clear, guys? Okay, na? Right. That's why I didn't use any package. Just I provided what class name. For your practice purpose. Copy paste. It's okay. If you know copy paste, you are lead the IT industry, no problem at all. Okay. But for your practice purpose, please create all these classes by using one user defined package, and you need to configure with what? The respective user defined package, then you can check it out. Okay, right. Same program, compile and execution. Here you are getting the output. Why it is not getting in your room? Yes or no? Getting my point? Useless. Don't do that. This is just one way. If you go this way, might be you will reach the JNTU. Let's assume I'm telling for layman example. You should walk, right? So some people giving us some address, sir. I want to go for the JNTU, sir. Where it is? You can go this line straight. Okay, you will find the JNTU. Okay, can you come along with me? Can you ask like him like that? Sir, I need your help. What is, sir? Are you coming with me? For what? To reach the JNTU. Just I don't know anything. Hey, what? Yes or no? The people like that only. Second time maybe, the second person may be coming. Sir, I want to go for the high-tech city. How can I go, sir? Can you show me the path? I don't know, man. You can check with others. He surely telling like that. Yes or no? Because the first person irritating him. That's what. Why I am telling this example? While getting this output by using this example, you can develop or implement this program in different manner. Getting? Then only you are improve the coding skills. Copy paste it won't. It is not good always. Sometimes only. Okay. Now this is what configuration file. Next one, going for the client application. This is what our client application. So yesterday we discussed about what resource. Resource is what? One of the interface. Okay, we created what? Some reference. Okay. So now I am going to creating the reference this resource interface with the help of what? Class path resource implemented class. This is the one of the implemented class. Okay. For example, A is the interface. Test is the implemented class. How we are going to create the reference to that A interface? A some A1 is equal to new test. Yes or no? Like that only. The resource is what? Interface. RES is what? User defined reference. It is not predefined. Okay. You are going to create the reference with the help of what? One of the implemented class is what? Class path resource. Okay. whatever the XML file is there, we are passing as an argument. Then, okay, for our understanding, where is the XML file? In the RES reference, that related values. Then, factory bin is what here? Factory bin is what? Container. It is the old container. This bin factory container always supporting what type of configuration? XML based configuration. Getting my point? Okay, but as a developer, the XML based implementation, heavyweight component, heavyweight component. That's why programmer using what? Java based. After that, the programmer is going for what? Annotation based. Getting my point? We'll see in going forward. Okay. Are you able to hear? Okay. Okay. Online people, can you hear me properly? Right. Okay. Perfect. Now the bean factory container is going to take all the responsibility of bean class. Okay. Creating the object. Once created that object, managing that object. Okay. After done everything, then destroying that object, the container will be taken care of it. You need not to bother about it. Okay, we are going to discuss about the bean life cycle also. Coming classes. Okay. This is the famous interview question. What are the bean life cycle in core Spring Core module? Even you are the 5+ experience guy, even 8+ experience guy also, you should face this question. What are the bean life cycle? What are the bean scopes in Spring? What it is, each and every scope. And each and every life cycle stage, what it will be, why it is, where it is, like that. In detail, we are going to discuss here. Don't worry. Next one, factory, bean factory. Factory is equal to XML bean factory. The XML bean factory is the one of the implemented class of what? Bean factory interface. Here also we are trying to create in the reference to the bean factory interface. The factory is a user defined reference. Okay, right. We are passing that RES as an argument here also. Next one, demo IMPL. Some D1 is equal to new demo IMPL, the factory of get bin. That is, we are going to type casting. That is, whatever the container capabilities are there inside our program, those container capabilities we are going to utilize into our application or into our class. Factory.getBean of what? Demo. What is this demo? It is representing what? It is representing what? Object of what? Demo IMPL class. This is what? This is demo. We are going to mapping with here. For your understanding, I use it that mapping word. That is not exact word. Getting? Whatever the object you are created for the bean class or implemented class inside the XML file, you should get that object and keep it in the client application. Next one, you are calling what? Those wish method and get date time method. Okay, right. Clear? Any doubt, guys? So far, code. I hope online people, all these 4 lines. Did you follow that? 10th line. Okay. Okay, right. Let me explain. Demo IMPL D1. D1 is the reference. See, here is what? Type casting with what? Container reference. For what? To get the container features or capabilities, whatever you have, we are getting into our implemented class. Okay, for our implemented class is what? Demo. Demo IMPL. That demo IMPL object is what? Demo, right? So that means this demo is representing indirectly demo IMPL class. For that demo IMPL class, the container is going to treated that demo as what object, where it is available in the XML file. In the XML file, line number 5, bean ID. This ID only you are getting into the client application in the get bean method as an argument. This ID or this demo or this object is representing what? That implemented class of what? Demo IMPL. Then the container will consider, oh, this demo is an object of what? Demo IMPL. That's why the container is thinking what? Like this, let me tell. Okay, the programmer, this demo is considered as a object. So I have to create that code like this. The line number 11, this type of code was implemented by the container. But as a developer, we are not to follow, we are not to create this demo object like demo IMPL, demo is equal to new demo IMPL. Why? Because we are not bothered about it to creating the object for what? Demo IMPL class. We will take care of that responsibility. The Spring container will be taken care of it. What is the container here? The bean factory. Clear? Are you getting? Guys, are you following? Any doubt? Clear? All good?